Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, is a governmental organization responsible for the civilian space program, as well as aeronautics and space research in the United States. NASA employs a large number of professionals in the fields of space and science, and they have come across some absolutely bizarre things over the years that have caused even the most seasoned experts to reconsider their views on the universe. From scary exoplanets to discovering gamma-ray space bubbles, there's a lot to learn. Now, the news is NASA just found the weirdest object in space. What is it? Number 7. According to astronomers, the unusual energy bursts happen every 20 minutes. While mapping out the cosmos, a group of scientists spotted something strange, a mysterious entity emitting bursts of energy every 20 minutes. Although the object is around 4,000 light-years away, its energy bursts were so huge that it was one of the biggest radio emitters in the sky. The explosion would occur every 20 minutes for 1 minute, then disappearing for a few hours before repeating this cycle. Number 6. Is it a neutron star that rotates? The finding team believes the item is a new kind of slowly revolving neutron star with an extremely intense magnetic field. The recurring signals were originally identified in the first 3 months of 2018, but then vanished, implying that they were tied to a spectacular one-time event like a starquake. Despite the signal's odd origin, the team feels the source is more likely to be a spinning object than a highly adept civilization across the universe. It was kind of spooky for an astronomer because there's nothing known in the sky that does that, said Dr. Natasha Hurley-Walker from the Curtin University node of the International Center for Radio Astronomy Research, who led the team that made the discovery. The pulsing signals that the object is rotating and other light readings show that it has a strong magnetic field. This led the researchers to believe that it was a magnetar star, a neutron star with a very strong magnetic field. Although, how a magnetar star could revolve so slowly and glow so brightly is unclear. Number 5. According to senior astronomer Seth Shostak, there's no reason to believe it's an alien signal. The mysterious object, according to Seth Shostak, a prominent astronomer at the SETI Institute, who was not engaged in the investigation, is similar to a lighthouse in that the flashes of light indicate that it is spinning. Most astronomers, he added, would agree with Hurley-Walker that it's most likely a dead star. There's no reason to be alarmed, he stressed. It's not alien intelligence attempting to communicate with other areas of the cosmos, since it's clearly nature. Shostak told USA Today, the novel thing here is that we've not seen anything like that before. The object has yet to unleash another burst of radiation as of Wednesday, but Hurley-Walker is monitoring it with the Murchison Wide Field Array Telescope. Shostak noted that the completion of the Square Kilometer Array Telescope, which will be the world's largest radio telescope, will allow astronomers to examine space even more thoroughly, potentially leading to the discovery of more objects like this in the future, as well as a concrete idea of what they are. Number 4. Do alien beings exist? This is a fascinating subject that NASA has been attempting to comprehend, investigate, and answer for quite some time. We have yet to find life on another planet, and no scientifically substantiated evidence for alien life has been found. But if we think about life on our planet beyond the huge things, elephants, whales, and redwood trees, and concentrate on the little things, we've discovered microbial life practically everywhere we've looked. Our understanding of what constitutes a livable environment is evolving. We've only just started to peer beyond the Earth. 5 rovers and 4 landers have been launched to the surface of Mars by NASA. Additionally, orbiters have been equipped with some incredible cameras that allow them to photograph the whole surface of Mars. However, we've just scratched the surface of Mars, and that's only one of our solar system's potential bodies for searching for life. There are frozen moons in the outer solar system, such as Saturn's moon, Enceladus, and Jupiter's moon Europa, that seem to contain livable subsurface areas. That's all there is in our solar system. The more exoplanets we discover orbiting other stars, the more we understand about the variety of possible life habitats. We can't tell for sure if aliens exist or not. The cosmos is a fairly huge place, Carl Sagan once said. If it's just the 2 of us, it seems to be a waste of space. As a result, NASA will continue its search. Number 3. Is it a planet outside of our solar system? Exoplanets, according to NASA. The majority of exoplanets discovered so far are concentrated in a small area of our galaxy, the Milky Way. According to NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, the galaxy has more planets than stars. We can observe compositions ranging from highly rocky, like Earth and Venus, to very gas-rich, like Jupiter and Saturn, by measuring exoplanet sizes, diameters, and masses, weights, like Jupiter and Saturn. Exoplanets are made up of elements that are comparable to those found in our solar system's planets, although their compositions may vary. Water or ice may dominate certain planets, whereas iron or carbon may rule others. We've discovered lava worlds with molten seas, puffy planets with the density of styrofoam, and planets with dense cores still orbiting their stars. Number 2. The first exoplanets that were discovered. The first exoplanets were found in the 1990s, and many have been discovered since then using various detection techniques. Astronomers seldom view an exoplanet via their telescopes in the same manner that they could see Saturn through a telescope from Earth. Only a few exoplanets have been discovered using this technique, which is known as direct imaging, and these tend to be young gas giant planets orbiting very far from their stars. We now live in an extraterrestrial universe. Thousands of verified planets have been discovered, and the number is growing. That's just a small fraction of the galaxy's total population. As the number and observing power of robotic telescopes lofted into space grows, the number could reach the tens of thousands within a decade. Number 1. NASA discoveries on exoplanets. On March 21, the NASA Exoplanet Archive added 65 additional worlds, bringing the total number of exoplanets to 5,000. Exoplanet discoveries that occur in peer-reviewed scientific articles are validated using various detection methods, or analytical techniques are recorded in the repository. Some are unlike anything we've ever seen in our solar system. Gliese 581c. Gliese 581c was one of 2 super-Earth planets discovered by his team, both near the star's habitable zone's edge. The radical velocity approach was used to discover Gliese 581c, which means it was discovered by pulls on its parent star. A recently found world dubbed TOI 1431b is one of the hottest planets ever discovered, with temperatures so high that most metals would vaporize. A world team of astronomers headed by Dr. Brett Addison of the University of Southern Queensland's Centre for Astrophysics in Toowoomba, Australia, has discovered something new. TOI 1431b. TOI 1431b, also known as Mascara 5b, is roughly 490 light-years distant from Earth and is about 1.5 times bigger and somewhat more massive than Jupiter, the solar system's biggest planet. Every 2.5 days, it revolves around a reasonably bright and extremely hot star. PSR B162026b. PSR B162026b is a gas giant exoplanet orbiting a star of unknown type. It has a mass of 2.5 Jupiters, takes 95 years to complete one circle around its star, and orbits at a distance of 23 AU. In 2003, it was reported that it had been discovered. There are many strange discoveries made by NASA. They are beyond our imagination, as well as surprising. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us grow and make more videos that our followers love to stay updated on all things outer space. See you next time!